my beautiful crochet family. I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone, and we are in for a big surprise today. As you can see by the title, we have our advent calendar unboxing. Now, we're going to get into that, but first let me say, I'm going to tell y'all about the sweater that I am wearing. This is my first wearable that I actually crochet for myself, and I did it last year, and I was unable to wear it last year. And plus, I think I finished it close to Christmas last year, and when I tried it on, I was just like, this is not it. So I don't know what it was. I didn't wear it. So this year I said, you know what? I'm going to wear this sweater this year. And who would have known that I would have already started a whole crochet channel on YouTube to be able to just share my creations. So I think it means so much to me now. Like, although I crocheted last year, it means a lot to be in this moment, in this space, to share something that I created last year without even knowing that I would even have a YouTube channel. So I'm sharing my crochet wearable in this video and all of the advent calendar unboxing videos because I'm going to break them up. But in this one, you're going to get a 3-for-1 because I started a little late. So leading up until Christmas, I'm going to do it up until Christmas Eve. I'll release the video for the advent calendar because it's 12 days of unboxing. But like I said, it will be the same setup because I'm going to wear this sweater. I was like, I'm going to get some wearing out this sweater this year. So y'all are going to enjoy this lovely sweater. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. I did double crochet. I can't remember what pattern I used for it. And I used the colors green, red, and it's a goldish color is what I would call it. And it is like a oversized type sweater, which I really love. And it's like, to me, it's a beautiful sweater. I really, really enjoy it. I love it. I wore it out one other time than this video or than these videos. So outside of that, I think I got some pretty good wearing out of it this year. So let's get into this advent calendar. Now, this is the Market Makes by Loops and Bee Cadvent Christmas Calendar. A Cadvent. Listen at me. We're going to keep that in. Advent. Advent Christmas Calendar. And it says, hello, Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this Advent calendar. Each bag is labeled with a number. Please start with the bag labeled with a 1 for day 1. Have so much fun. Listen, one thing you don't got to tell me to do is have some fun because I'm going to have some fun. I don't care where I'm at. We're going to have a good time. So let's get into number 1. Like I said, it came in, like I said, we're going to do 3 today because of the timing of me releasing the videos. But they come in individually packed bags like these. And she had the numbers on each bag. And it came in like this big brown box. So it was shipped in a big brown box. And everything inside is neatly packed, beautifully done, and in these individual packs. So let's get into J1. Okay, so we have the nice Loops and Bee paper. And we have a gray part. And all of these, I'll have to say too, I don't know if anyone got this advent calendar this year, but all of the yarn in these are Parfait Chunky yarn. So everything that I'm going to unbox will be the Parfait Chunky. So for this one, we got the Parfait Chunky in the color Fog, which is pretty. I don't think I have this color. And this one is for, oh my goodness, look at this. Okay, so this is pattern 1 of 5. So throughout the thing, we're going to get 5 different patterns, which is awesome. And this is for the Mini Belly Ellie by Madeline May Co. So, I'm going to just show you really quickly. It comes with this card. You have to scan the QR code, and then it takes me to the pattern. So that's awesome. And it's an elephant. So look at that. And then it also comes with some felt eyes. So we have the yarn, the elephant mini pattern, and some felt yarn for day 1. Let's get into day 2, guys. Day 2. Now, I didn't... Okay, that's package 3. And I have the box beside me, so I'm sorry. I'm going to have to kind of like scavenger hunt through, which I should have had laid it all out. I think that would have been a little easier for me, because now I'm looking for package 2. And I want to open them in. Oh, okay. Boom, 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 boom. We got 2. Okay, this is package number 2. Because I'm like, I don't want to, package number 2. Here we go. Let's see what we got for number 2. Day 2. Day 2 of our Advent calendar. Y'all are getting 3 days in one now for this video. So when you see it tomorrow, you're only going to get that one day each leading up. So for this one, we have, we have Parfait Chunky in Emerald. Parfait Chunky. Oh, that is so pretty. I like that color. Parfait Chunky in Emerald. And, oh, okay. Okay, so we have we have pattern number 2, and it says Kringle the Christmas Tree by Crochet Ever After Co. Like I said, I'm gonna just show like a little snippet. This is how they come, which is printed off on a card, and I have to scan the QR code for the pattern, and it says use supplies from days 2 through 6. So, oh, that's cool. So I guess all the yarns, what we can do is if we need a little bit of this, a little bit of that, you kind of just mix them and go put them together to create whatever we have to create. Now, I push my glasses up. I want to say this about the glasses too, because in all these videos, you're going to see me with these glasses, which I picked these because they're red, they're glittery. I was like, hey, let's go with the sweater, and it's for Christmas, so we're going to get it. That's how I feel about these glasses. So anyways, day 2 is the Kringle the Christmas Tree by Crochet Ever After Co. So let's look at day 3, which while I was looking for day 2, I pulled day 3. So that's awesome. So this is day 3. Let's see what's inside. And this will be our last one for this video. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. And if you all had any Advent calendars that you did this year, or that you got, or that you even recorded or anything, let me know, because I would love to check out some different Advent calendars, especially dealing with yarn. So for this one, oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so for this one, we have the Parfait Chunky in Sunshine. Parfait Chunky in Sunshine. And I really, really love the Parfait Chunky yarn because I do a lot of amigurumi. So these are going to come in handy. Even if I don't do the patterns and just want to mix and mingle with something else, they're still going to be good. So we have that in the Sunshine color. And look at this. It comes with 2 stitch markers, guys. And I want to say the right thing. TheHookingReader.com. At the Hooking Reader. Look at this, is so cute. So we have like a snowflake stitch marker here, which is very cute. Oh, there I go, flying things around. So we have that, and then we have the Christmas tree stitch marker. Look at that. That's awesome too. So as I was saying, guys, that ends up with 3 days that we open for the Advent calendar. I am super excited. Y'all are going to see me back tomorrow and all the way up until Christmas Eve. So you get to see me all the way up to Christmas Eve. I will have a everything that I crochet video tomorrow. So you guys will see the everything I crochet. And I would say with that video, I am kind of like, these hands are moving. I'm doing so much so that, I don't know, next week, I may squeeze everything I crochet in video next week. But the only reason why I'm not sure is that a lot of things that I would crochet would be for like my kids and my family. And they are like advocates of my channel. They are like always in the comments. If you see them down below and, saying sweet little things, those are my babies and my husband. And I don't want to show anything next week that I'm going to crochet for them before they unbox it or, undo it for a gift. So stay tuned tomorrow for day 4. Day 4 is tomorrow. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. And if you have any advent calendars or anything that you got going on special that you want to share in the comments, share it, share it, share it. Let's talk about it. Thank you for being a part of this beautiful, awesome, amazing crochet family. I am super excited about this advent calendar, and I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone. I'll see you next time.